Morning, y'all. It's been about a year since I posted anything, if I can remember correctly. I was looking at my globe the other night, and the Mandela Effect has some of us kind of curious as to how the continents are different than we remember them. I remember South America being quite directly below North America. Now it's way over here. And I was just kind of reminding myself and looking at this, and then I remembered Australia, in my remembrance, was very near New Zealand. And now look at all the space. And then I heard some talk about the North Pole. I remember being ice mass up here at the North Pole, because whenever you watch Santa Claus cartoons and the like, he has a mailbox stuck in his ice, frozen ground, whatever, the North Pole. Well, as you can see now, there is no mass. And I was looking at this, I thought, my goodness, look how North America is. It goes like right up to the North Pole itself practically. And look at Greenland, which is a lot bigger than I remember it being, but it's way, way up there. And Russia's up there. It's like creeping up more and more north, which is crazy talk, I know. And then I was watching a thread, and I was watching that I belong to, and they were talking about how the days seem to be very much longer now than they used to be. And I just thought it the other night. I thought, I drive bus for a living, and I was thinking, you know, I start at 6 p.m., I see the sun go down, and I get home at about 3 o'clock in the morning, and I'm not home but an hour or two, maybe two, and the sun's already getting light. And I thought, are these nights getting that short? I know we're closest to the longest day of the year, but this seems exceptional. I'm going to turn this phone around and see if I can't. I'll just try to aim it for my face. I don't know how to switch this around. And so anyway, I said, you know what? And we're losing our spring and our fall a bit. And the sun sets way further to the north than it used to. I have a friend who has a garden, and he has to move his garden because he can't get sun on it. But he used to get sun on it because where the fence is and his tree, and he trims his tree back more and more every year. And he said, I don't understand. I'm not getting any sun on my garden. I have to actually physically move my garden because the sun is so far to the north. Well, this all makes sense. If we are closer to the North Pole than we used to be, our days will be longer in the summer, shorter in the winter, and the sun will set farther to the north. Now, I remember some Inuit Indians told NASA, hey, the sun is setting further to the north. We know where it normally sets because we're out here hunting. We have a landmark, which is a mountain. And NASA replied, well, the Earth has a wobble. I thought, yeah, if the globe is spinning and you're at the equator, you're going a little bit faster than the speed of sound. If you put a wobble in that, yeah, we would feel it. It'd be just throwing us off the Earth. Or we would certainly feel it. So I knew that wasn't the right answer. But the Mandela Effect, for me, truly answers what is going on in our world. Love your comments. Flat Earthers, if you have another way to explain this, please let me know. But on a globe Earth, this really makes sense.